As cloud computing emerges as one of the most sought-after commodities in the tech industry, software companies need to adapt their offerings to provide targeted, cloud-deployable solutions to their customers. For users of various InterSystems products, InterSystems Cloud Services provide the specific functionalities of these products without the overhead of buying, deploying, and managing servers. Cloud services offer several benefits to application builders and organizations. With an on-demand model, users can deploy and ultimately pay for only what they need. Traditional deployments, which require more cost, time, and knowledge, are no longer the only paths to success. Cloud services allow you to focus on your organization's core competencies and business goals, rather than deployment details. Perhaps most importantly, this new model of cloud computing means you get the services, solutions, and features you want, and pay for only what you use. With this simple on-demand option, you will see immediate value, and as your needs evolve, you can easily combine services to add more functionality. Much like with the traditional InterSystems technology stack, people in industries such as healthcare, finance, and supply chain can enjoy the benefits of InterSystems Cloud Services. In this video, we'll talk about 5 such services: the InterSystems Fire Transformation Service, InterSystems Fire Server, InterSystems Health Connect Cloud, InterSystems Iris Cloud Integrated ML, and InterSystems Iris Cloud SQL. Within the healthcare space, multiple InterSystems Cloud services help you optimize and integrate your healthcare applications. The InterSystems Fire Transformation Service is a software-as-a-service offering that provides out-of-the-box transformations from common healthcare data formats, such as HL7 v2, to the HL7 Fire format. If you need a place to store and access newly transformed Fire resources, you can turn to another service, the InterSystems Fire Server. This provides a Fire repository and developer APIs, enabling you to quickly get started building your Fire-based applications. To integrate healthcare systems across various departments and facilities, Health Connect Cloud takes the core features of HealthShare Health Connect and packages them into an on-demand service. You can easily integrate the disparate systems across your healthcare network, minimizing point-to-point setups and enabling efficient sharing of patient data, all while having InterSystems handle the underlying infrastructure platform. No matter what industry you're in, leveraging machine learning has become a vital approach to innovation. Using InterSystems Iris Cloud Integrated ML, users can create and train machine learning models using a simple user interface and minimal SQL knowledge. The barriers to creating powerful predictive models for your business have never been lower. And if you simply need the high-performance, massively scalable database of InterSystems Iris, you can easily launch the InterSystems Iris Cloud SQL service for a powerful database with familiar relational access. For all these services and the others that InterSystems is building, you can launch and manage them from a single place, the InterSystems Cloud Services portal. Under the hood, all InterSystems Cloud Services are deployed on the infrastructure of known and reliable cloud providers, such as Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. For end users, everything can be launched from the InterSystems Cloud Services portal. You don't need to manage the underlying cloud infrastructure. Once your services are deployed, you can easily connect applications to them using the provided connection information. Easily deployable cloud services like these are the future of innovation, essential for organizations that are building life-changing applications. To learn more and get started for yourself, explore the resources provided with this video.